Before I began my coaching business, I used to think that being a street smart individual who could make money, who understood sales and marketing, who was getting clients, doing well, that having a business plan was overrated. So the truth is, I did not like administrative work. So I'm into operations, execution, let's do it. The whole paperwork thing used to bore me. And somewhere in my head, I used to see a business plan as this long, boring document that is not even practical. But I was wrong. The moment I paid attention to it, I began to see that, oh my goodness, yes, some things are figure-outable, but some things are better when they are in a document, where you put it together as a living document. That means it's open to frequent change. It's not static, And so today I'm going to share with you critical things you need to have in your business plan as a coach. That way you have a living, breathing, operational document with which to operate by. Okay, so this is a video you want to watch till the very end if you're struggling with structuring your coaching business. Are you ready to learn? I always ask this because, hey, you have to convince me. And if you are, come with me. Let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Home. This is your home if you are an amazing thought leader in your industry as a coach, speaker, author, consultant who wants to learn how to build a profitable, high impact, well-structured personal brand business. Also, if you want to learn how to create and sell digital products, and of course, master the art of sales funnels, this is your home. So welcome. Take a seat. Take a seat. All right, so honestly, I used to think a business plan was overrated. To me, it was this document that you could, that you just put together, write somewhere, and for the next couple of years in your business, you don't even know what is inside. So I see it as a business school document. And I'm not a schooler, I'm practical. Show me what to do here and now. Let's do this. That's me. I'm an experiential learner, right? So, however, I took a course recently, Academy for Women Entrepreneurs, and I saw this thing about creating business plan. I'm like, wow, you mean this stuff is this way? Then I realized that it is how you write it that matters. It's not the writing itself. It's like what you put inside it, the processes you put in, what you documented that is important. And so in today's video, I'm going to break down like 7 amazing elements that you want to have in your mind when you are creating your business plan as a coach, right? So the first one here is your business plan must contain the solution you want to deliver. That is the what. Okay, what about the solution, And I would say the who and the what actually. So who are you? Why are you here? Why are you doing this? Okay, so first I would say who are you? So it could be a who are we? So this is how we started, this is our passion, this is our this and our that, right? And then followed right with the solution you want to deliver. So yes, we know you. We understand the story behind what you do. And now, but this is now what you do. Do you get? Like, this is what you do. This is the solution you are bringing to the marketplace. Then you want to put down in that document who you want to deliver help to. Like, who do you want to help? This is very, very important, right? Then the next thing here is you want to identify what your offers are. So yes, we get that, we get your solution, that yes, you want to change the world. Oh yes, you want to help couples to have sweeter, hotter sex in their marriages. I get it. But what are the offers? What are the products? What are the channels with which you deliver that transformation? Your business plan needs to contain this. Then next would be your marketing channels. How will you market your products and services? Okay, let's know. Have it out there. Now, I must tell you, as you can guess already, answering these questions will finger your brain. Like, it will cause you to think. You will pause, do some research, ask some questions, and send out a market survey. Like, it would trigger you to get answers, and that's the whole idea. So the whole idea in your head stops being an idea. It now becomes a concretized living document that you can run with, and you can share with your team, share with investors, share with your clients, and they would get you that this is the plan you are working with. Do you get this? Good. The next thing you also have is your delivery channels. Yes, you have marketing channels. Okay, I'll market through email marketing. I'll market through social media. I'll market through flyers in my office. I'll market through exhibitions, or I'll market through conferences. I get you. But you want to also have delivery channels. How will you deliver your transformation? Will it be through one-off sessions? Will it be coaching calls? Will it be group coaching sessions? Will it be through your books, through your online courses? Like, what will be your delivery channel and experience? Not just the channel that, okay, you will use your online academy. No, it's beyond that, right? I also want you to think of the experience you will create for your clients, right? This is very, very important. And then finally, the seventh thing that needs to be in your business plan will be your follow-up process. When you are giving your clients that amazing experience with the delivery, how do you keep in touch? Will they be in an email list? Will they be on a WhatsApp group? Will they be on a Facebook group? Will they be on Telegram channel? How often would you interact with them? Because they still have lots of things to learn from you. They can refer you, and they can buy your next tier products from you. Okay, so those are the 7 things that needs to be in your business plan. There's a link below this video where I give you the opportunity to sit with me for 30 to 45 minutes for us to have a one-on-one session on how to build your brand and your business. You want to click that link to book that call with me so that you and I can, run through what should be your business plan or your sales channels, your marketing funnels, and things like that, okay? There's also a video here that you should watch where I talk more on creating your coaching offers, from your signature coaching framework to your signature coaching program, all the things around that, okay? If you found this video valuable, go ahead and hit the button below this video to subscribe to this channel, and also to share with your friends and your loved ones. And yes, let me know in the comments. Yes, give me my accolades, give me my flowers while I'm still here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.